is part 2 and we came to the temple. I'll show you. So we came back in temple. They gave banana and flowers. Today is my birthday. Now we are going home. There is a big step here, that's it.
ಆಗ್ತೀವಿ ಈಗ ಪ್ರಸಾದ ತಗೋ.
It's tasty.
ಚಳಿ ಬೇಡ ಚಳಿ.
So I'm done eating and I wash my hands. Let's go there. You are eating prasada. Now we have to go in the temple again. But wait, I'll ask her. Ma, ಈಗ ಮತ್ತೆ temple ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದಾ? So we are going to another temple.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಮಾಡಿ.
Okay. Let's go. Another temple.
ದೇವರನ್ನ ತೋರಿಸು, ಗಣಪತಿನ ತೋರಿಸು.
Ganapati.
ಕೈ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು.
Ganapati. So now we have to take the run here. So we're going the steps. Here we have to take the run.
ಹಿಂಗೆ
Oh, this way again. That's all. So we have to touch the foot and the legs. So we have to touch every. ಎಷ್ಟು ರೌಂಡ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು? Actually takes still more three rounds.
ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ
3 rounds. It was like a snake. ಇದ್ಯಾವ್ದವರು?
ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಗ್ರಹಗಳು, ಪ್ಲಾನೆಟ್ಸ್.
ಪ್ಲಾನೆಟ್ಸ್.
ಗ್ರಹಗಳು ಅಂತ 9 ಇದ್ದಾವೆ. 9 ಅಲ್ಲ, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9.
These all God is the planet. You know?
ನೋಡಿ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು.
So we are done doing the rounds and all the gods are there. They are all planets. Bye. So this is the end of our vlog, my birthday vlog, and in the afternoon we're gonna show my birthday party in the next video. Okay, bye. Like and subscribe.